Send food or anything your family or friends in Venezuela need, same-day delivery. You buy, and they choose exactly what they need. How does it work? We explain it step by step. Go to doctorSIM.com and select Venezuela in the country selector. Click Choose Your Gift Card and select Family Box. You can pay with PayPal, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many more options. After buying the gift card, you will instantly receive a code by email. To redeem it, you have two options. 1. Choose the products on the Family Box website and enter your code at checkout. The value of the gift card will be automatically deducted. 2. Forward the email with the code to your people in Venezuela and let them choose exactly what they need. What is Family Box? It is a platform in Venezuela where you can find hundreds of products with delivery to 320 destinations across the country. They also offer fast delivery times that can get you out of any tight spot. Ready to send a gift? Go to doctorsim.com and do it in less than a minute.